Hello, welcome to my channel. So after a long time, I'm back to publish a new video. So let's see how or which project we will build today. So this is the project. This is the web application. We will build in React.js and Next.js. So you can see this is a multilingual website. It is English and Arabic version. So today we will build this multilingual website. So let's have a look how it's work. So this is the logo and the number and the menus. Okay, when I click on about us, it's smoothly scroll to the about us section, and when I click on feature, it's go to the featured section. When I click on screenshots, it's go to the screenshots. Okay, this is the download button. When I click on download, it goes to the very bottom of the page, and you can see the download option. If I click on it, it's a redirect to the download links. Okay, so the main section is, you can see when I click on the Arabic language flag, it's change its route to air, and it's also change every text and everything in Arabic. So this is fully functional and React and Next.js application. We will build this in React and Next.js. Okay, there is no server side rendering or server side component or any API. So it's just as a like front end development. Okay, so let's start our design and development. Score ideal landing page. Not It's not a landing page because we have more two routes and more two page. You can see this is the privacy policy page, and this is the terms and condition page. Okay, so we will also build this two page. Okay, and also we'll deploy it in Vercel. And I think you all know Vercel is the official website of Next.js. Okay. So every Next.js web application is, I think, very much suitable for deploy in Vercel. Okay, so let's start our development and design. So I'm going to open my code editor, and also I'm going to create a folder, or if you want you can do it from here. So I just open my folder, and I'm typing here cmd for open my command prompt. Okay, and now I will use to install the Next.js and this folder. So I'm going to type npx create next app at latest. Okay, you can easily find it from Next.js official. Install Next.js. Okay, and get start. So just scroll down, and you can see npx create next app at latest. If you do not want to use the latest, it will automatically take the latest version of Next.js. Okay, so we have to name it. So app lnding. I'm going to rename it app landing. Okay, we do not want to use here TypeScript, so no. Of course we'll use ESLint. Yeah, for styling we'll use Tailwind CSS, and of course we will use source directory, app router, and you can use alias if you want, but I always try to use alias, so I'm going to yes. Yeah. Okay, so it will take few time for installation. We will back after installation. Just we have to wait after a few seconds, not minute maybe. Okay, so I'm going to pause it, and after install I'll back. So yeah, installation process is done. I mean, Next.js installation process is done. Let's open our application. So npm run dev, so it will open. It's the development server. Okay, so you can see properly it's open, and everything is perfect right now. Okay, so now we will at first design our home page, then other page, because it's only home page, not other pages. So we will design it first our navbar, then hero section, then other sections. Okay. So let's start. Sorry, I'm going to open my source folder and app directory, and in app directory I'm going to create a new folder called components. P-O-U-M-P-O-N-E-T-S, components, and another folder layouts. Okay, and this is our page.tsx, so we not need js. I just remove every text from here and write it text hello world. I'm going to use this class for checking Tailwind CSS properly work or not. Okay, so save it. Yeah, hello world, you can see the red color. Okay, so we have to remove them all css from root to all. So I just remove it and save it, because we need this three for use Tailwind CSS. Yeah, you can see Tailwind is working perfectly. So at first we will going to install some packages. Okay, because here you can see some icon. So first we need to add or install a React icons, and you can see it's a responsive fully. So for these two we need icons. Okay, so first I'm going to React icons library for use. Okay, so npm install React icons. Okay, perfect. So now we will make three folder at first. Header.jsx, another is container.jsx, and another is footer.jsx, because we need header, footer, and container, because you can see our maximum width is from here to here. So we will use container for this. So at first we will design our container file. I mean container. So I'm going to add children, children. So if I use children, it will take everything as a props as a children. Okay, so if I use here children, children, it will everything will mm, wrapped by this. Oh, sorry, I'm in footer. We have to go, container, because we are working with containers, so React Arrow functional component with export. Now we'll take children as a props, children, children, and we will so children under this div, sorry, in this div. And now we have to add class name or for fix our width, container width. Okay, so in md we will max width is 1300 pixel. Mx will be auto for center the every component text and everything which is come as a children. So it will maximum take 1300 pixel width, and then it will go to the center, and we will use some padding as horizontally 3. You can see this is the 0.75 ram or 12 pixel, so left and right it will take 12 pixel, and by default it will take 16 pixel. Okay, and makes it full. It will work only after the md device, I mean when device width is below 768 pixel, then it will work, otherwise it will work. Okay, and its maximum width, so if your screen size is 1500 pixel, it will work 1300 pixel maximum. So when we will apply in our application, then we can understand properly. So our container is done. Now we will make our header. Okay, so or we can see here is two button, here is on button, here is the menu and the logo. Okay, so a reactor function component header. Okay, now we'll use container, contai container. Make sure it's import from the container, not from the tailwind container. Okay, now a div for app everything, and we'll make it to two div. This is one and this is one, then we will make more three div for, separate these three items, download button and this button and this menu. Okay, but first time we will separate logo and menu. So div, and div for logo, and nav for never. Okay, so app ding app learning, and menu. Okay, only for testing. So we have to use some class name, md flex for flex. We use for flexbox, justify between, so it will go to left and right, items center of course, gap 5, and w with full. Okay, oh sorry, we have to import, we export the header, so we have to import it in here. You can see it's import from layouts and header, I mean this one. Okay, so of course every time need to confirm it's properly import and properly export or not. You can see the app landing and the menu. Okay, perfect. In header we have to add here some class name. Class name is minimum height we will get 60 pixel. Okay, md area, leading will be of course, sorry, 60 pixel, z index 10 for z index 10, and relative. Okay, bslt theme show only for C it's work or not. Yeah, you can see the menu where it's properly working. Okay, uh, okay, perfect. So now we will add here class name, and so flex justify between items center py 3 md py 0. So we will use here two things. One is our logo, so of course it's need to wrap by link, wrap a link ing, and it's need to import from next link. Okay, class name text to xl, font bold, text Sky 600. Okay, and of course we need to add here URL, and it's a base URL. Now we will add here another link, but we'll do it later, because when we make responsive, then we will do it. Okay, so let's check. You can see perfect. Now we will go to the next option, nav. Okay, so we will use ul li, sorry, and link. Okay, so link is home, name px0 md px2 for add padding and medium device to large device, and md py0 but py padding in vertically 2 only for mobile device, and leading on rim md earlier leading none. Okay, so this is home, so we will just copy and paste. Class name, we have to add here some class, md flex, it's flex only for medium and large device, gap will be 2 we can use, and py 4 and md py 0, so no padding for medium and large device. Objects are need to href, so right now we will use hash perfect. Home perfect. Sure, what is home, about, feature, and screenshot. So about FATURS features, another is screenshot, yes, screenshot. Home, about, feature, and screenshot. Perfect. So what next? We have to add download button. Okay, so another one we have to add here for download button. So download button is specific design, so we have to add some extra class. mdml margin left is equal to 2, but empty is equal to 0, empty is equal to 4. So margin top 4 will be work only for small device, and it will not work large and medium device. py we will use 10 pixel, so 10 pixel, mx3, px5 for padding horizontally. Shadow we can use md raise. Md is perfect, round, rounded, so button corner will be rounded. We can use excel, and md busy white, but right now you cannot see the background color, so we use slate, 300, 200. Okay, and busy sky, sky 600. Text of course black, and hover we can add hover effect, text white only. bg is let, so in hover we can change bg sk, hover, bg pri, sorry, sky, sky 600, font semi-bold. Okay, let's check the download button, screenshot. Okay, so we have to rename it DOWNLOID. Perfect. You can see it's white because it's background color, I mean the background image is sky blue, so it's white is visible, but here if I use white it will not visible, maybe busy visible, but yeah, you can see. Okay, this is the download button. So download button is perfect. And for flag we can for flag. Okay, so we can download image from here. Where is our coding, YouTube, app learning, public, images. Okay, NDW. Okay, and for this one, yeah, perfect. So we have already this image, so now we will design this too. Okay, so now we make here a div and image, imaging, of course it's from next image, and we will use a class name flex justify int items center gap 2. Okay, alter is eng src is equal to eng, and width we can use 40 pixel. 40. Okay, let's do. Now we have to import eng from public images eng dot webp. I'm not sure, let's check. webp eng. Okay, same for ar ar. Perfect. So just change it to air and air. Okay, you can see we can use here a class um cursor pointer. So cursor will be pointer. Perfect. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So now we have to do the uh, mm, menu. We have to make it responsive menu. So now we already installed react icons, so we need bar, and which one we'll use? This one. You can use any one, but that's good. Sorry. So I'm going to top here. You can see we use already flex. Now we will use fvar. So you have to import now. Import fvar from react icons / fa. Perfect. Let's check. Yeah, perfect. Okay, also we need close icon. So time, time. Okay, so we can use this one. It's or this one. Let's check close. I think it's good. Fa. We can use this one. So oh, sorry. Again we have to import react icons /io. Okay, perfect. So now we have to use here condition. We want to only visible this bar and this close icon in mobile device. So perfect. Now we will use here state. So hide menu set. So hide menu. Perfect. Use state again. And by default it's false. FALSE false. So we can use here the condition. Now we not need this. If false is true, I mean if so many so hide menu is true, then it will show the close icon. Okay, and if not, then it will show the bar icon. So now we have to update this. What is the error? Oops, this one need to remove. Okay, so here we have to on click function, add on click, then set so hide menu is not so hide menu. Okay, if it's true it's make false, if it's false it's make true. Same for this too. You just said sorry, need to import. Okay, it's import. So use state, you know, it's a client component, so we have to use here use client, CLIENT. Perfect, perfectly working. Okay, so now we will add here some class because we need it. Txt text xl, its size need to more, so cursor also need pointer, and in MD device we need it hidden. Everything is similar for this one also. Okay, so it's hidden. When we go to the mobile device, you can see it's perfectly working. It's perfectly working. Okay, so we have to also hide and show this menu. When I click on it will hide, then when I click on bar it will open. So we need this functionality, so we have to go, the nav section, this one, and we will use here class name. So we have to use here so hide menu. If it's true, it's need mdblock block py, need some padding 3, and if it's false, hidden and md block. Okay, we need it md, I mean large device always block, but in the mobile device it's need to hidden if it's false. I mean this is if it's false it's need to hidden. So let's check. Perfect. We have to add here class name justify int only for MD device. So you can see it's on the right place. So we can add here some margin top MT5. Okay, but in MT is 0. Perfect, you can see. And for PX download button margin need to 0 ml MD2 ml 0. Perfect. Oh sorry, not here. It's here. Perfect. So download button and all button are perfectly working. Okay, so our menu is working perfectly. Now we will make. Okay, so I'll back after 5 minutes. Okay, so this one is perfectly working. Okay, now we will design the hero section. Okay, so let's start. um so I'm going to make a file home hero dot .jsx reactor function component. Okay, perfect. So I will use section, then container conti container. Okay, then div. So in hero section we can see uh, two section. I mean left and right, two part in one section. Left side and right side. Left side is text and right side is only image. And you can see also the background image. Of course this is background image. So now we will at first take two div, sorry, div left, and here is right. Okay, so now we will use here some class name md flex justify, of course, between item center gap need here much more gap, so 64 pixel. MD minimum height is 100 vh, and the minimum height is, we can use 60 for mobile device. Text is white. MD text be black. Okay, For left section, class name md is equal to 1 by 2, I mean 50%, with padding top is 20 md, pt 0. Okay. So now make another div and another div. Class name is a bgs 200 or even dd or UNDED rounded full, and inline block MB5. Class name of course flex text 14 pixel. Okay, and here we are designing this one. Okay, so text will be new, p new, and another div for no div. Okay, so another fee best mobile app. Perfect. Class name it's text is BLSEK black BGSKY 600 rounded UNDD rounded full, and text of course semi bold, take font semi bold, POI 1 W80 pixel, text center. Okay, we have to import the home hero to the page. So here home hero, let's see. Okay, perfect. So home hero, class name text BLSEK black PY1 PX2 ROUNDED rounded full, and W160 pixel text center. Perfect, you can see it's perfectly added here. So now we will add the main text. So this one, yes, after this one, main text of header section, sorry. Okay, now you'll take another div and h1, of course it's a big heading. So h1, welcome to app landing. So class name, mb is equal to 5, text is 4xl, md text 6xl, font semi bold. Perfect. Yeah, you can see. So it's welcome to, and then beer. Welcome to app landing. Perfect. Span. Okay, because it's a color need to change, so class name text sky sky 600, but text bls equal black, so only for md medium device. Bold. I think it will look much better. Okay, perfect. So now we will add this description and the button. So I'm going to the code, and after each one I'll add p tag and $m 30. And you can see. Hmm. Okay. Okay. So class name w 1 by 2. Oh my god. Perfect. So now we'll make this button, this one. Okay, so read more button. Okay, now we will add a new folder, util utils. BUWT. Okay, so custom button TITLE title. We will title class name. We can make it here. Okay, now we will add class. So text white shadow excel bz gradient gradient to right from blue blue 800 duration 150 to sky sky choice sky 600. So now it's bz gradient to l gradient to l. I think we can use a link because we can redirect from your href. So href, so we'll take a so href I suppose. Okay, perfect. And now we will import it in here after the p tag. So custom button from utils. So we have to add here title. Title is read or read more, and aims ref is right now has. Okay, perfect. Oh sorry, yeah, this one. Sorry, this one. Okay, okay. So we can add here padding and border on this. So px4 and py2 round rounded indeed. Perfect. 2.5. Okay, that's good. Text sm, how it's look. I think not good. Leave it as it is. Perfect. So now I will add here what is it, Mm, yeah, yeah. 3. Maybe need more. Yeah, now it's perfect. Okay, so and left section is okay. Now we will design our right section. So in right section is nothing here, only an image. So this one will import high image from next image. Source is only for centering the image. Okay. Okay. Maximum height is 550 pixel and W2 and shadow is MD is 5, MD is 0. Ups, it will be broken because we not import, so I just download it. And WBP, no problem. 01 WBP. Okay, so go to the top, import image 01 point WEBP. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now it's in center. Okay, now I will add this background image. Okay, so I have to download this image. um oh, okay. um mm, I just copy this all image from here because I downloaded it previously. So app landing, public images, the all image. Perfect. So this one, pink header. So now we will add this pink header busy. Okay, so we will add it using custom css. So now I'm going to add here a class name hero busy, and minimum height is 100 feet, md minus md 80 pixel. Okay, perfect. So I'm going to add here the custom css. Basic background image url app, then we will go to the public image, then horizon pink header b, this one. Okay, background position top, background size content, and background repeat, of course that's not repeat. Perfect. What's the missing? I think we not save this one. Okay, perfect. Maybe it's need to auto, so do not need to count. Why it's not? Oh, sorry. So funny. It's need to right, top and right. It's now top and center. Okay, perfect. So now we will move our header background. Okay, this one. Perfect. Okay, so everything working perfectly, and it's looking good. Okay, now we have to change the color of the menu item. So text white and hover text cell 100 duration 100. Okay, we can use here map function, and then we can render our all menu item, but here is only 4 items, so I don't want to go with this. Perfect. So let's check. You can see everything is working perfectly. So now we will work our routing system. Okay, so for this routing, I mean for this multi-language, we'll use Next-intl. Okay, you can also use by default i18 in Next.js. Okay, so we don't have any server component, so we will use client component as app router in our app router. So at first what we have to do, we have to install uh, this library. Okay, so I'm going to install it. Okay, you can use, if you want, you can use this i18 in the routing system and Next.js. I can I can also use this one if you want. If you needed this video or this tutorial, you can comment me. If someone comment to integrate this in Next.js application, I will make another video to how you can install and use in your app the local internationalization system in Next.js. But today we will use this one. So yeah, it's installed. So Next.js. Next.js. Okay, it's good. Perfect. So now we will start getting start, and app router client component, what we have to do, you can see get started. We can see this package we already installed. So at first we have to make a folder named messages, then we can store our all translated JSON file in this message folder. Then we need a middleware, and then in app folder we will have to move all of our components and pages. Okay, so let's do it, because I do not want to make everything then I will do it again, because if I make it in local dynamic folder, then I have to import everything again. So I want to do it in the first time. So From first we will import it, so we do not need to import again every folder after change this. So I already create a message folder. You can see this is the message folder, and I have the two language JSON file, Arabic and English. I use the dummy JSON file, I mean dummy text here. Okay, so what next? We have to make a middleware.ts. So we use here JS, so not need to use ts. So I'm just going here in the root directory. You can see it's in the root directory, middleware.ts. So I'm creating here middlew.js, not ts. So I'm just going to copy this, all of this code. Okay, just copy and paste, nothing need to change, only we will change it to air. Okay, so because we don't have dr sorry de, we have only English and Arabic. So Arabic and English, and default local, I mean default language is English. Perfect. So what next? Okay, so now we have to change it to local layout.js. So now we have to move it, so we have to close this server and everything, and I'm going to my code source and app folder. So I just copy everything without the fab icon and make a new folder called locale, local, then move it here. Okay, only the fab icon. If you want, you can leave it the global CSS here. So okay, perfect. Okay, now I am going to open my terminal again and code it again. So of course it will crash my website. So let's fix it. Npm run dev. Now what we have to do in local JS, we will just copy this only HTML. Okay, so in local layout.js, so I will just add it here, local and message in body. I will add it this one. Okay, and I remove this. Perfect. So I have to import this one. I'm going to copy it, this one. but in local also this URL is not work. Global CSS. Now here, okay, and let's copy this one and paste it here. Perfect. We don't use here async, so don't need to. But if you want, you can edit it. Then next provider. So where is it here? Nothing else. Okay, perfect. Now we have to do local.htsx use client. Okay, we have to start our development server again on it. So let's close it, and we have to move it the whole folder app to the folder just to remove the source folder. Okay, then so app local favicon everything is perfect. Layout.tsx. Okay, let's start the terminal and npm run dev. Okay, so this one is error. Mm, okay, perfect. Let's check what's the problem. Okay, so what's the problem? Next. Sorry. Perfect. So now import. Okay, perfect. Now it's working global CSS. So I think we have to customize this one. Maybe URL is not correct because I change uh appending, no, public image. Okay, so it's perfectly working, but maybe we have to move it here. It's making the problem. Hmm, wait. Then now, okay. Okay, go to the home layout header. Hmm, okay, so we have to rename it import database because it's not work. Import yes, slash base slash component and utils. So it's npm run dev. Let's open our development server again. Okay, now layout. Is it okay? Import. Oh my god. Yeah, that's the problem. Okay, let me check. Okay, now it's working because here's the here's the problem is the tailwind css. So I just again install tailwind and changes the tailwind config file. Just copy this. Okay, so if it's not from your side, just again install tailwind. Just only search install tailwind in Next.js, then just copy this one because our project is already. So just copy this one and this one, copy this and paste it in your, I mean just again install, and must be you have to copy this config file. Okay, but not, but don't use this global.css in this one because it's in our app directory, sorry, local directory. So you have to tell in css then components. If it's not work, then install again the tailwind. Okay, so perfectly working. So now if I go to the air route, you can see the route is changed. Okay, perfect. And language is also changed. Okay, so everything is working perfectly. So now we will add it by clicking on here. Okay, so we have to um, add here a function. uh, where is our header? um, okay, so at first we test it's changed or not. So first yes, translation. So go to the header. What is our header? Layer is header, and just import it. Sorry, from Next-intl, then copy this one. Okay, so app landing, it's need to t then uh, message, then here logo. So logo. Mm, here is it, hero, hero, because this is sorry, header. So header, and here is logo. Perfect. What happened? Nothing. Perfect. So yeah, this one you can see the logo text is changed. If it's en, convert it, it's a dummy logo. Okay, because in en it's a dummy logo, so app landing. Perfect. App landing. So now we will add this functionality. When we click on Arabic, it will redirect to Arabic. When you click on English, it's need to go English. Okay, so in header we will add a function. Where is the image? So one click, h en er. Okay, so we send it en and er as a parameter. Now we will make here that function const. Will use arrow function. So this one, and lng length. So window dot location dot replace length true. Sorry, it's a length. Okay, So it's redirect path. It's the root path, and then it will add en or ar, and then redirect. Okay, so let's click, it's ar, and let's click, it's en. So it's our default route, so you can see here en. Okay, app landing. Perfect. Okay, in this way we can add menu name. Okay, so let's do it. Header, so we rename it menu menu menu. So now what's the name? Home, about, features, and screenshot. Oh, sorry, where is the header? Features, screenshots, features, screenshots. Perfect. Let me about home screenshots. So that's perfect. Okay, so you can easily translate it like this way. In am, from header, t. Perfect. You can see that it's changed the name. Dummy button. So download. Internal view OWNLOAD. Perfect. Main about feature. It's translated by Google. Okay, so our header and translate and responsive, everything is okay. Oh, we have to make it black when it's in mobile version. Perfect, but in mobile version it's also working perfect. Okay, Okay, so our hero section is completed and close. Okay, now about a section. So about a section also very easy. Just component. I'm going to component and create ABOUT about us dot JSX container. Okay, class name py8 md py is 12 because sorry, because we need more padding in desktopers, and we will add here the id. Alright. Now we will use the grid. So md display grid 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 column 2. Okay, item center. So div, another div, is 2. Now const t is equal to use translation. So in about us, we can also make it dynamic like this. T and section ID. Okay, in our page, section title, another is P strng strong. Okay, so the about content. Perfect. In h2 we will add some class font sorry, bold text 3xl pb2. Perfect. So let's check. Oh my god, need to add it in our homepage. So import this about us. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so and another side we have to add image. So of course next image, class name rounded md mt0 but mt5 in mobile version. So let's import about. Okay, perfect. Yep, nice. We will make it RTL later, just need to edit everything. Okay. Okay, so our about section is done. Now we will make another section called the features. Okay, so I'm going to my code editor and make another file features features.jsx. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to make a new section for the feature and container conti container div again calls t is equal to use translation from Next-intl features features. Okay, so id I can make it dynamic id is t, then section id. Okay, so feature section id, perfect. features as features. So I have to section, yeah, sorry, section id, then class name pi8 and md pi is 12 and bzble blue is 50 for the background color. Okay, so in the next div, class name text center pb8. Okay, now h2 we can use the dynamic text. SECTIONTITLE section title, maybe, yeah, section title. Okay, so we have to add here class name text center font semi bold text for Excel. Okay, so let's import features. Features section title. Perfect. Features need to change it. Maybe use translation. Feature dot section title. Maybe something is missing or spelling is missing. Feature, yeah, TIT. Now dummy our feature. Okay, perfect. Now we'll add. Okay, we have to add this p tag. Two. So just to copy section description. Oh my god, it's the below p tag. Sorry, h tag. Okay, perfect. So now we will design the feature cards. So we can make one design and we will input 4 times. So it's save our code and time and memory and everything. So I'm going to add here a new folder, FEATURE features, then feature card, FEATURE dot JSX. Sorry, graphics in component. So I have to pass here image. So need image source, then the heading and the description. So we can get a search C and DITLE title and the description DSC. Okay, so let's start design for the card. MB5 MD MB0 and overall padding is 4. BG is white. Border SLT border opacity, rounded LG, SH, shadow, duration 150, and hover shadow cell. Okay, now at first we can add the image, then heading and description. So for image we'll take link tag because we want to linking it. I think we don't need this link because we don't pass the thing, so we can use it. Only div, then title with 100 RUNDED rounded TL. Okay, for the title we can use h4 tag, title class name mb2 text excel, font bold TRSEK, tracking chart, and text gray 900. But P LDS add a description, then to add class mb3 font, not need font text gray 700. Perfect. Okay, so I'm going to the feature, the feature card. Okay, I just import. So title will be, of course, the feature title. So first card, feature card, own card title, this here, description, on description. Okay, and src on image, just import from. So let's check the images app folder. Sorry, in public folder. So first one is i.png. Okay, one image, maybe text missing. Yeah. Okay, so okay, perfect. Maybe it's okay, and I think it's need more padding. Okay, good. So again, I'll just copy. Oh, sorry, need only 4 times. And of course, it only from MD device. Okay, so for on is I and then expense. Sorry, expense. Just copy it. Okay, for image. Okay, so customizable query and user friendly control. So customizing query and then admin panel. Okay, let's check. Yeah, image is updated. So now we have to update the text. So I'm going to the JSON file, feature to title and description. Features on and to T4. So customizable query user friendly control level. Okay, so our feature part is done. Mm, okay, so next there's some marketing descriptions. So let's make another file, marketingesc dot jsx. So these are very similar, these two. Okay, so I'll just copy everything from the about us. Okay, but in marketing description we need left side image and right side text. So I'm just cut it and copy. Let's import marketing description. Okay, perfect. So and marketing description I'm going to change it MDC. Okay, let's use this one. Okay, perfect. Let's add some CSS on the image. So class name, shadow md w auto max height 550 pixel. Okay, it's perfect. Okay, so we have to add this image, background image. So let's name it. Yes, sorry. Marketing description. We will add it similar way. Where is our global.css? Perfect. But it's top left only. So pink header, not this one. We have to change it easy. Okay, just perfect. Center and left. Okay, perfect. So this one also done. Now we will add app screenshots. Okay, so same as like the features. Okay, so I'm just going to create app screenshot. .jsx. Okay, so here is features. This is the features. App screenshot. App screenshot, and not need here too much because we will use a slider in here. Okay, perfect. So you can see this is a slider, so we will use a sweeper. We will use sweeper slider for this one. So SWI. Yeah, this one. lot of it, so we will use this one. What is this one? This one, manipulation. So click on React. Oh, of course we have to install instll. Or you can click on this one. So we'll just install it. So I'm going to make another file, uh, scrwnshot screenshot, and then scrwnshot screenshots card.jsx. Okay, let's check. Yeah, it's updated. So I'm just going to copy all of this. Not need this one, only these three. Just paste it. Yes, we have to just. Okay, and in style.css, here is some css for this. So I'm just going to copy here and edit it. Okay, now sorry, app.jsx, and I'll just copy all of this code from here. Any screenshot card. Okay, okay, so I have to import. Hmm, perfect, but we don't need these buttons, so I just going to remove the button. Also I'm going to remove this wall, also this one. Okay, need to autoplay. So D L Y delay to 4000. Sorry, it's not a read subject. Okay, let's import it to here. Let's see. Okay, and it's also the screenshots need to add here. Okay, we need this one. Let's take it. Both are similar, but we need the virtual slider. So everything is okay. We'll just copy the styles. So style.css. So global.css. Perfect. Now I'm going to screenshots and this here. We don't need this. Okay, it's perfect. If I click, you can see perfectly working. Okay, so we will just add our images on here. So I'm just going to add images and screenshot. Import iml image one from public slash images slash. So 12340 point png. 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, So make it one, sorry, image one, image two, three, four, five, six. Image one, image one, six. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's change something on CSS. So height is auto. Perfect. You can see images. It's perfectly working. Can I use it? Okay, it's perfect. Okay, now it's visible 5. Okay, our feature also working. Oh, sorry, this is screenshots. So we have to change the screenshots pictures. So app screenshot, then section title, section description. Okay, perfect. So our app screenshots also done. Let's make the footer section. Okay, so in component, sorry, we have already footer section in layout. So I'll design it. Footer, sorry, CO conti container, then div, okay, class name, everything, okay, md py is 16 but py is 8, I mean padding in vertical, bgbls black border top, yes, sadiner, yes, d or w sad white border white empty 10, okay, perfect. Now class md flex text white justify between align top gap, we can use 10, okay. So first text, class name, perfect, is 2, sorry, 2, class name, text lg, translation, put our text, okay, empty 5, margin top is 5. Now h3 is equal to, sorry, h1 is equal to app name, okay, class name text 3xl, Okay, for another quick links title, quick links title, quick link title. Over underline and empty. Need to empty file. Perfect. Let's check our app. Okay, let's import the footer and okay, nice. Mm, what is footer? Download app title. Sorry, this one. And for this one, app store. And this one is for GPLAY Google Play Store. Okay, perfect. So now we have to add another one for the social links. Div. Okay, link. Has class name mt5 flex gap 3. So for Facebook, FAS, Facebook F. Okay, from Facebook, and we need FALINK, LinkedIn, FATWI, sorry, not FARI. Okay, so quick links, and for this title, yes, OCIAL, social, LINDST, title. Okay, so our landing page is ready. Okay, so privacy policy, we'll make a dummy privacy policy page. Okay, so for this only I want to show you how you can add a page in here. Okay, so in the local, just create a new folder, privscy, policy, privacy policy. Okay, and then page page.jsx. Perfect. Okay, this is privacy policy. Okay, so if I go to pri privacy policy, you can see this is privacy policy. Okay, so route is perfectly working. We need to change this one, the title, so we can change it from here. If you do not want to change the dynamic one, get it in everywhere, so in here I'm going to add uh, Next.js. Okay, if we go here, we can see the metadata, like import system interface.tsx. Just copy this one and remove this one. Metadata. Oops. So in the screenshots, we can make it a screenshot component and a screenshot. Okay, so we have to do it in server side. uh, um, 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 1 minute. Where is the home page? This one. So, now you have to move it to page.tsx. Okay, yeah, so you can see this is working. Home page, app landing, not home page, it's app landing. Okay, perfect. So it's working, and our privacy policy, so just link it to privacy policy. Footer, where is footer? Layouts and footer. Privacy policy. Okay, perfect, perfectly working this route. And if I click here, app landing, everything is working perfectly. But this is hard coded, so let's make it Arabic. Everything is Arabic. Okay. Footer. Okay. So let's change this text because it's hard coded. So home hero const use translation next into. So yeah, hero text. New tag. Base tab. App title. Welcome message. Description. And record button text. So user, sorry, Next-intl. Next-intl. And the first we use app router client component. So I recommend it. If you want to use metadata, just go with the server component. Okay, so it will not uh, give you any issue or any error like this message. App screenshot. App screenshot section id. App screenshot section id. App screenshot, maybe it's, yeah, app screenshot, no section id. So that's why it's not fetching. It's cannot fetch app screenshot. Okay, so now we need to um, add like this. When I click on about, it's need to go the about section. So in menu, where is the menu? In header. So awter footer. Okay, first one is, okay, this one. Second one is abyut, about, features, screenshots. Okay, so about, it's properly come to the about, it's come to the features and the screenshot. So it's a need to scroll smoothly. That's why we can use a simple css in here. HTML, let's see, scroll behavior smooth. Okay, so just reload our app. About us, you can see it's smoothly scroll and it looks good. Okay, so perfect. Okay, so here, what is the privacy policy page? This is the privacy policy page. Yeah, perfectly, it's working. So in privacy policy page, we just use something like, okay, so we will add here header, then footer. Class name py12, h1 PRIVSUI. Okay, and class name text 3xl font semi-bold, and we'll use here the text lorem Desha. And footer text. Okay, so perfect. We will just use here container. Okay, nice, but you cannot see here any text because it's white text. So we can pass here a class name is equal to class name is equal to black. Okay, perfect. In the header we will receive this class name. So see this class name. If class name class name, otherwise okay. Perfect. uh, Privacy policy. Where is the header? Let's see this class name. Okay, you see, but in home page, because we don't post any class in home page. Okay, so in English need to remove this new base step. Perfect. Okay, so I think everything is perfectly working. So privacy policy and terms and condition both are similar page, so you can easily do it. Yes, it's just into added privacy policy header mb3. Okay, perfect. So now let's check the responsiveness. Okay, okay, these all are perfectly working if I click. Okay, so I paste this one. I think we can add more padding in the container. So px is equal to 6. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, so this one need to center. So image, hero image, hero image. Where is the hero image? From hero and image. This is, of course, it's okay. I think we can empty 4, but m needs empty 0. Yeah, perfect. So this one is also perfect. Features, expense. Okay, this one also need to move center. So maybe marketing. About and then marketing. Yeah, this one. So features, marketing about. Okay, perfect. But justify start. Okay, so it's in start, but in mobile version it goes to the. So text I need to move top, class name empty6, but empty 0. Okay, perfect. This is also this one also. Okay, I think we can add some space from. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, okay. By default that's busy, right? uh, I think here to add, but I think it's okay, not into it. Features. Okay, so everything is working fine and working perfectly. Let's check what's the issue. uh, in the home hero. md justify int start home hero justify int flex int. It's okay now. I think everything is perfect. Yeah, this one. Okay, so our landing page is done. Only not only landing page, our everything is done. You can see if thing, and if it's so only one thing, when it's here it will make it to RTL websites. So we have to go in the layout.js, class name. So if local is equal to AR, it's lang text to write. Okay, otherwise it's blank. Perfect. So in global.css we will just add this css dir direction RTL. let's not make it RTL. It's only like, let's check. Maybe, oops, sorry, I forget to add the dot. Select the class. Okay, now it's perfectly working. Now it's right to left. Okay, you can see everything is perfect. And if I go to the we can use okay, everything is done. So logo, just app landing, perfect. If I go to the privacy policy, it's perfect. Okay, so our design is done. Now we will deploy it to Virtual. So git add git 090 commit test m. Update code. Okay, and now let's create a repository, then we will deploy it in Virtual. So GitHub, I'm going to my GitHub and also Virtual. Create a new repository, utub app landing, app landing. Okay, just I will make it a public. So get branch main, I'm going to directly post on main branch, this one, and then you can main, post it to main branch. Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to add this one. Okay, it's a very simple, this is my version Next.js application. So for this project I don't need to add anything like environment variable or not need to change anything. It's by default like the Next.js. So I'm going to just click on deploy. Of course, you will get this code in repository without any image or yeah, without any image. Of course, I can't share with everyone these images. Okay, perfect. So you can see it's a deploy in version. I'm going to continue the dashboard and I'm going to visit my app. Okay, now it's live and everyone can see this. This is the landing page. Let's check. It's perfectly working. If I click on English, Google will translate this. Okay, about us. Perfect. So okay, everything is working fine. I will give you this code in my git repository and I will also link it in the comment description. Okay, so thank you for this. I'm again come back to you with another new video or another new tutorial. Okay, so thank you. Bye bye.